Friends, welcome to Saho Studies. In this video, we are going to see how a split function works in PySpark. So what split function does? A split function is used to create a column of an array type by splitting string by delimiter. So what it is used for? It is used for create a column which is of array type by splitting a string variable by the delimiter. We are going to see split function, how it works in PySpark in this exercise. So what we are going to do in this exercise, we are importing all the functions which present in PySpark.sql.types. We are also importing all the functions which present in PySpark.sql.function. We are going to create a list object. In this list object, we are going to store three objects in it. This is the second one, and this is the third one. The object which we are going to store in this list variable has a string type which is separated by comma. See, you can see this one. Same is here. This is also separated by this is a string which is separated by comma. This is also a string which is separated by comma. We are going to create a custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. We are defining two columns, AP full name which is of string type, AP mask column which is of string type. Now we are going to create a data frame with the help of a create data frame function by passing this list object and the custom schema. Once this data frame gets created, we are using with column function to create a new column. This new column name is AP underscore mask underscore split. And how we are going to populate the value of this particular column? We are calling this split function, and we are splitting the data which is present in AP marks column. And what is the delimiter we are using? We are using delimiter comma, because if we see here, delimiter is comma, here also the delimiter is comma. Once this data frame gets created, we are going to display this data frame with the help of a display function. Let's see how it works in Databricks. Let's create one notebook. Name it as split. First, let's import all the functions which present in PySpark.sql.type. First, let's connect this notebook to the cluster which is currently running. Let's import all. Now the functions which present in this package, all the functions are available in this notebook. Let's create a list variable. In this list variable, let's create three objects. To save time, let's copy the code and paste here. Just change the name. and just change the marks. So here we are defining a list variable. List variable has three objects in it. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. The object which we are storing in AP data list, it has a element which is of string type, but it is separated with the help of a comma. Like this is also separated by comma. This is also separated by comma. Let's run it. This list variable has been defined successfully. Let's create a custom schema. This custom schema we are going to define with the help of a struct type. In the struct type, let's call struct field. Struct field. In the struct field, we are defining the column name and its data type. Let's define another column. The column name is AP marks and it is of string type. Let's run it. This custom schema has been created successfully. Let's create a data frame with the help of a create data frame function. Spark.create data frame. Here we are creating a data frame with the help of a spark.create data create data frame function with the help of a list variable which we have defined, and with the help of a schema, custom schema which we have defined here. Let's run it. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content. Okay, we need to copy this one. You can see it has a column AP marks and it has a data. It is of a string type, but the data is separated with the help of a comma. Let's see how the split function will going to work. So what we are going to do, let's create a separate one more variable. We are going to create a column by using this data type with the help of a with column function, and the name of the column is AP marks underscore split. And how this column will going to populate with values, we are going to use split function, and in the split function we are going to splitting the column of AP marks with the help of comma delimiter. Let's run it. Split is not defined. Split is not defined. Okay, so split. This split is a part of PySpark.sql.function, but here we are importing both the places the same package. That's why this split function is not available. So this make it function and run it. So all the functions which present in this package PySpark.sql.function, now it is available in this notebook, and this split function is a part of it. Now it should work. See, this data frame is created successfully. Let's see the content of this data frame. We can see a new column gets created, AP underscore mass underscore split. It is of which type? Array type. How we can figure it out? It is of array type because see, it is storing the data in the form of array. Let's see the schema of this data frame. We can also see this AP marks, AP underscore mass underscore split. It is of array type. And in this array, which kind of element it is storing? It is storing string element. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.